Alright, so make take them off here. Here with another car issue. Right now we're having the back window not being able to roll up. So everything else works. You can hear it, but this one doesn't. You hear it trying, but you can hear it trying, but nothing. But nothing. So, got the parts here. Client has the parts. Boom. Window actuator. Let's get it. So first we gotta get these trims off here. Gotta pop this off, then work around here. Let's get this off. So we got the panel off. Get this off. Unput the switch here. And now there are screws in there you gotta get to. That pop out all around. So once everything's off, take the lock out. Valve's off. Doors right there. Some elbow grease, got it out. This is the old one. The old one, you're gonna swap the motor over here. You see this cord is messed up. And this cord is tight. This is going here. Old motor out. I'm gonna put it into the new one. All right, now it's programmed. Let's check it out now. One push. Smooth. One push, no hands. Fixed.